Digital process chains are now a fundamental component of dental technology. We at DENTAURUM have given a lot of thought as to how we can transfer proven analog materials into a digital workflow. Users can decide freely whether they make use of the services we offer or the adapted materials. For example, we can offer long-term, clinically proven alloys with identical composition, both for casting as well as for milling or laser melting. Not only the ideal material composition, but also the suitable production process plays a major role for further processing by the dental technician. Whether analog or digital, the same is true everywhere. Simple processability using a variety of techniques is cost-saving and economical. In our development department, new digital options are being constantly developed to make the production of prosthetic restorations easier and more effective.